So I'm going to be giving a quick overview of the Lifewit cooler bag. It's really good. We've used it for the last couple of weeks. I'm really impressed. My partner's been taking it to work for the last couple of weeks, leaving it in his hot car, and he's come back and his sandwiches have been absolutely fine, haven't heated, haven't melted. Same with the drinks, they haven't rose in temperature, they've stayed cool the whole time. So it's really handy. It's a rucksack as well, which is great because we like going hiking and walking everywhere, so we can use this on our back and your hands free, which is amazing. Really nice sturdy straps, fab material. You've got little mesh compartments on the side and in the front as well if you want to put like chocolate bars or anything in there. Then it's a really good bit of storage. Again, here's the inside. So it's really spacious in there. I read the capacity is 24 to 30 litres, so you can carry whatever you want in there, drinks or food. If you want to go hiking or go out for the day, or you know, if you've got a big family, you can literally use this to go on a day out with, which I think is absolutely fab. It works really well, really nice sturdy material. You can carry it everywhere, so it's brilliant. Yeah, highly recommend it. It's really good, lovely quality and a beautiful design. Looks really, I think, quite stylish and sturdy. So yeah.
¿Por qué tengo que hacerlo yo? ¿Qué quieres probar? Tú puedes hacerlo solo. Es tu trabajo. Así que hazlo. Si no quieres hacer lo que te estamos ordenando,
ábrelo tú y todo, tú. Hazlo tú, ábrelo.
Si quieres abrir, ya está, sí.
Y enséñala por los lados. Así, por detrás. Abre, ciérrala. ¿Vale? Y póntela como así para atrás. A ver.
Anda, te voy a salir ya y no
Mira,
quiero salir ya.
sí. Vale, ya está.
Vale.
Sí, es verdad, en teoría no tendrías por qué salir tú. Pero bueno, no pasa nada.
Questo è lo zaino acquistato. Questo è all'interno, contiene una sacca con il velcro, una tasca esterna, ottimo per me, ve lo consiglio.